Let's do data analysis using MLJAR Studio. To start, create new session and create a new notebook. Save the notebook and rename the file. I have CSV file with data, and it is a IMDB movie database, and in this file I have information about movie and IMDB rating and gross of the movie. Okay, there is also poster, link to the poster. Okay, and it is in CSV file. And I will be using AI assistant in MLJAR Studio to do data analysis. Okay, so let's load IMDB top 1000 CSV file. Okay, I have code from AI assistant. I check the code, it looks okay. I execute it. So you see we have data frame. Okay, and let's do some analysis. So for example, get top 10 best movies. Okay, and let's execute the code. We have top 10 best movies. Let's get movies with the highest gross. Movies okay, we have table with movies with the highest gross. Let's create the HTML table with movie poster, and let's create table for top 10 best movies. HTML table with movie poster for top 10 best movies. We can display HTML in the Jupyter. Okay, let's try this code. Oh no. Let's display HTML table in Jupyter. Okay, so I would remove this variable. So we have HTML, and then I will execute the code from the AI assistant. And you see we have a nice table with posters. Okay, let's ask AI assistant to create a visualization, and let's check what is the dependency between rating and gross. Okay, we have a scatter plot. As you can see, there is no dependency, or very little. Okay, so we have a static plot. Let's create the interactive plot. Let's create interactive plot with movie title in tooltip. Okay, we will be using Plotly package. Okay. Okay, as you can see, Plotly is already installed, so we just execute this code. Yeah, we have the, let's execute it again, and we'll have nice plot, and you see we can hover over the point and get the nice tooltip, and the plot is interactive, so we can zoom in, zoom out. Okay, let's compute the correlation between rating and gross. Rating and gross. Okay. Okay, as you can see, the correlation is 0.09. So very small correlation. So, and as you can see, I was chatting with AI assistant, and it provides me code snippets, and I execute code snippets in the notebook, and as a result I have a Python notebook, and for example I can execute this Python notebook later, and I don't need AI assistant anymore because I have code ready. Thank you for watching.